2018 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, CD player, security system, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, front bucket seats, rear window wiper. Come take a test drive today.